A tornado is this: a rapidly spinning column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. It forms when warm, moist air meets cold, dry air, creating strong winds that start to rotate. Tornadoes can move across the land at speeds of 10s to over 100 kilometers per hour, and the wind inside them can reach more than 480 km/h in the strongest ones. They're extremely dangerous because they can lift and throw debris, damage buildings, and uproot trees. Tornadoes are often shaped like a funnel, and the most destructive part is the center, called the vortex, where the winds are the fastest. Even though they usually last only a few minutes, tornadoes can cause severe damage in that short time. Wait, if a tornado's destructive power comes from its horizontally moving, rotating winds. If we could somehow create a vertical spinning column of air that stays in place, it could act like a barrier, redirecting or blocking a tornado from entering a city. We could use
pneumano-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Magnetohydrodynamic airflow control to do this. This technique works by pew-pewing air with lightning bolts. Well, actually adding electric charges to ionize the air, but who cares? And then using magnetic fields to precisely move and spin the air, creating strong vertical currents. Magnetohydrodynamic airflow control is a way to move and shape air using electricity and magnets. First, the air is slightly charged with ions, which gives it an electric charge. Then, by applying magnetic fields, the charged air can be pushed, pulled, or spun in specific directions without using fans or heaters. This lets scientists create strong, controlled air currents that can move vertically, horizontally, or in a spinning motion. In simple terms, it's like using magnetic hands to grab and move air exactly where you want it. The hot air rises, the cold air sinks, and the system forms a continuous circular motion, effectively producing a vertical spinning wind barrier. This could block the intense wind in a tornado, because we want tornadoes to go away. However, to make such a barrier work, we would need enormous energy to ionize the air and sustain the spinning motion over a city-scale area. We are definitely not going to use a nuke to power this. Definitely. Nuclear fission happens when a neutron hits the nucleus of a heavy atom, causing it to break apart into smaller pieces. This releases a lot of energy, along with more neutrons, which can hit other heavy atoms and continue the chain reaction. This is how a nuke is formed. But instead of using this energy to explode, we could use it to power the magnetohydrodynamic airflow system, providing enough energy to maintain the vertical wind barrier. So here's the summary. We use magnetohydrodynamic airflow control, powered by nuclear fission, to create a vertical spinning wind barrier that could push the tornado away.